So we'll continue the revision matrices. See the next question. If A is a square matrix of order 3, A is a square matrix of order 3 such that adjoint of A determinant equals to 64, then find determinant of A. Okay, now I think if you remember formula I am writing for you, adjoint of A determinant of n minus 1 when A is a matrix of order 3. This are order n. This is the formula I am writing for you. So you have to remember it. We will have an application here. So therefore, adjoint of A determinant will be determinant of power. Power how much? Order 3. So 3 minus 1. This is given to us 64. 64 equals to determinant power 2. Therefore, determinant of this is plus minus root over 64 plus minus 8. Okay, this is the first question. See another one. Similar pattern but bit changed. A is a matrix of order 3. This is important new pattern of question. A is a matrix of order 3. Okay, such that A adjoint of A equals to 10i. Okay, find adjoint of A. It is the same question but asked in a different manner. So how will you write? You know, we know A adjoint of A equals to determinant of AI. Determinant of A, if we compare here, A adjoint of A is given 10i. Formula is A adjoint of A determinant equals to determinant of AI. That means in place of this, what are you getting? 10. Therefore, determinant of A equals to 10. Okay. Then, what is the formula of adjoint of A? Now, determinant of order. What is order here? 3. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 means 10 square. Because this is 10 you got. So, 100. Okay. Then, short questions we are discussing. Then we will go to long type of question. If A is a square skew symmetric matrix, A is a skew symmetric matrix, then find whether, sorry, not A, find whether A square is symmetric or skew symmetric. This is what you have to do. So how will you start? Your starting will be A skew symmetric. You have to start from here. That means A transpose equals to negative A. This is the definition. Let's take square of this. A transpose square equals to negative A square. Okay? Implies, which is also A square. Negative A square is what? A square. That means you are getting A transpose square equals to A square. This implies if square of a matrix is square of its transpose, means A square is symmetric. What is symmetric? Matrix equal to transpose of the square. So A square is transpose of a square, means that is symmetric matrix. Okay. Then let's see a new question. That is A and B are square matrix such that if A is a square matrix such that B equals to negative negative A inverse BA. Negative A inverse BA. Okay. Find A plus B whole square. This is matrix A plus B whole square. Okay, then let's see what does it mean. B equals to negative of A inverse BA. That means AB, pre-multiplying A you are multiplying both sides. A negative A inverse BA. AB equals to negative A inverse. I can combine these two, BA. AB equals to negative IBA. AB equals to negative BA. Therefore, AB plus BA became 0. This is what you got from here. Why did you find this? Because this term you will find in A plus B whole square. So A plus B whole square is not, it is not A square plus 2AB plus B square. This will be matrix multiplication. Don't do this. A square 2AB plus B square. This will be wrong. Unless AB and B are equal, you cannot write like this. So don't do this mistake. So how will you solve it? This is A plus B into A plus B. A into A square. A into B, AB. B into A, BA. B into B, B square. Now this part already have got 0. So that is A square plus B square. Okay, this is one question. Then comes up, if A and B are symmetric matrix of same order, A and B are symmetric matrix of same order, okay, so that AB transpose minus BA transpose is symmetric, sorry, skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix means what you want to do. What is the meaning of this? What is skew symmetric? That is X transpose is negative X. So if you imagine this is X, then that is AB transpose minus BA transpose का transpose negative AB transpose minus BA transpose. That is what you want to show. So start from left hand side. What is our LHS? AB transpose minus BA transpose का transpose. Since X plus Y transpose is X transpose plus Y transpose. This is what I know. That means individual transpose. That is AB transpose का transpose minus BA transpose का transpose. Plus and minus the same. Okay. Then since XY transpose is Y transpose X transpose means ulta. So ulta you do here. B transpose का transpose A transpose minus A transpose का transpose B transpose. Since X transpose is X, this will be B A transpose. This is AB transpose. Now if you take minus common, that will be AB transpose minus BA transpose. This is what you want to prove. Look, I have written there. Okay. So this is all about. Then there is another new question also. New question is, if A is a 3 by 3 non-singular matrix. A is 3 by 3 non-singular. I hope you understand non-singular. Singular determinant is not zero. The meaning only I am writing. Sometimes you have a short question on this. Non-singular matrix. Okay. Such that A transpose equals to such that A transpose is A transpose A. Then B is equal to A inverse A transpose. Find BB transpose. Okay, so how to start? That is B transpose B equals to A inverse A transpose. Let's take transpose both the sides. B transpose equals to transpose of A inverse A transpose का transpose. Already I have written the rule. This will be inverse, means ulta. A transpose transpose A inverse transpose. That means it is A. Okay. Then this one you notice. It is A transpose का inverse. This is what B transpose you got. Okay, then you want to find what BB transpose. Therefore BB transpose, B what shall I write? A inverse A transpose. B transpose is A transpose का inverse. Okay, let's combine. How to combine? I can write A inverse A together because that already given. A transpose inverse together. Since X inverse X equals to identity matrix, so this will be identity, this will be identity. So what will you get? I into I is I. Okay, then let's go to long type questions. Long type question में A is question. A is 504232. 504232 121. Okay. B inverse, notice it, this is also given in your textbook. B inverse equals to 133143. 133143 134. Find a B inverse. This you can find if you know a B, na? A inverse is found out if you know A. Similarly, A B inverse is found out if you know A B. There is no B here. B inverse is given. So, what a technique you are going to follow here? There is a formula since A B inverse equals to B inverse A inverse. This technique you are going to use. That means A B inverse. Finding SMS, finding B inverse, A inverse. Out of which B inverse is given. Only you need to find A inverse from here. So what is A inverse? So A inverse is adjoint of A by determinant A. Subject to condition, determinant is not 0. Should not be 0. So let's check whether determinant is 0 or not. What is the determinant of A? 504232121. What is the rule to find? Already I have learned. That is 5, it's minor. 5 its minus means 5 line you have to forget. 3 2 2 1 minus. First term is plus, then minus. 0 times is minus. 0 line if you forget. 0 line if you forget. 2 2 1 1 plus 4 times 2 3 1 2. Okay. Let me drop this for the time being. So, what is the answer? 5 3 minus 4 minus 0 into any number is 0 plus 4 times 4 minus 3, this minus this. So 5 into minus 1 plus 4 into 1, that is minus 1. Then what you would find out? Cofactor C11. C11. Add these two numbers. If this is for even number, you take plus sign. What is the minor? Minor part. C11 is cofactor for 5. You have to forget this. 3 2 2 1. 3 2 2 1. How much you got? 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. Then you have to find C22. Sorry, 1 2. 1 2 means this place. Sum of these two odd number, so negative. Minor, forget these two. 2 2 1 1. That is minus 2 minus 2. 2 2 1 1. That is 0. C13 plus sign. 1 3 means 1 plus 3 positive. 4. This place, forget this line. 2 3 1 2. That is 4 minus 3. That is 1. C3 1 2 1. 2 1 is which place? This is 2 1 place. So directly I am writing this is negative. Okay. This place, forget these two. What is left out? 0 0 4 2 1. 0 4 2 1. That is negative 0 minus 8. That became plus 8. Okay, let me write two more lines here because we need this. C22 plus 2 2 is 3 plus, so that will be, forget this line, this line you have to forget, this line you have to forget. 5 4 1 1. 5 4 1 1. That is 5 minus 4, that is 1. C23 negative, forget this line. 5 0 1 2. 5 0 1 2. That is negative 10 minus 0, that is minus 10. Then comes up C31. Let me write direct listen method. Plus sign. 3 1 in this place. If you forget these two, 0 minus 12. Minus 12. C22. Sorry, 3 2. Minus sign. Minus sign. This place, forget this line. 10 minus 8. That is minus 2. C3 3. C3 3. This place, forget this. 15 minus 0. 15. Okay. The result of a Adjoint of A is C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33. That is -1, 0, 1. Then 8, 1 minus 10. Then -2, -12, -2, 15. -2, -12, 15. This is not adjoint, this is cofactor, sorry. Cofactor. Cofactors. Then from there you have to find out what is adjoint. The adjoint of A transpose of cofactors. Transpose, row becomes column. -1, 0, 1, 8, 1 minus 10, -2, -12, 15. Adjoint of A. Then what is A inverse? A inverse adjoint of A by determinant of A. That is -1, 8, -2, 0, 1 minus 12, 1 minus 10, 15 divided by, I think this we got, I have wrong, -1 I think. Now what you will find? B inverse, A inverse. Therefore B inverse, A inverse is, what is B inverse? B inverse was 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. Let's write this -1 here. This -1 I can write here. Later we can do. Whatever number comes, first you write here, multiply, then you divide. It may be some other number sometimes. So it is -1, 8, -2, 0, 1 minus 12, 1 minus 10, 15. Minus of 1 into -1, -1. Row column. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 1, 3. Then first row, second column, 8 plus 3 into 1, 3 minus 30. First row, third column, -2 minus 36 plus 45. Second row, first column, this is -1, this is 0, this is 3, this is 8, this row, this column, 8 plus 4 minus 30. This row, this column, -2 minus 48 plus 45. Then this row, this column, third row, first column, -1 plus 0 plus 4. 1 into 8 is 8, 3 into 1, 3, 4 10 minus 40. 1 into -2 minus 36 plus 60. Okay, that gives us how much? That gives us, so minus is already there, 2. This is 11, minus 30 is minus 19. then minus 48. 40 means 7. Okay. Then 2. 2 and 30 is minus 18. Then 50 is minus 5. Then 3. Then 11 here minus 29. Then 60 minus 38, 22. Minus is here. So result is minus 2, 19, minus 7, minus 2, 18, 5, minus 3, 29, minus 20. There might be some mistake somewhere because calculation you have to check. So for the method I have shown you, you can expect one question like this. Okay. There is another question. Look at here. It's a very interesting question. Like this, one question is given in your example miscellaneous. This is a bit different here. A is given to us. This would be a long type question. Could be section 4, I think. 1 minus 1, 0. 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2. B equals to 2, 2 minus 4. Minus 4, 2 minus 4. 2 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 1, 3. Okay, find AB. Find AB. Use A to solve x minus y equals to 3. 2x plus 3y plus 4z equals to 17 and y plus 2z equals to 7. See, this pattern of question is different. Otherwise, you used to find A inverse and solve, but this is a different method question. First, you have to find out AB. Then you have to use it. Where is the inverse exists, that you have to find out. Okay, AB. AB means 1 minus 1, 0. 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2. 2, 2 minus 4. Minus 4, 2 minus 4. 2 minus 1, 3. You have to multiply it. Directly I am writing because you have already learned. 2 plus 4 plus 0. 2 minus 2 plus 0. Minus 4 plus 4 plus 0. 4. This and this minus 12 plus 8. 4 plus 6 minus 4. 2 2 is 4. 2 3 is 6. Row color. 2 3 is 6. 3 4 1 is minus 4. Yeah. Then row column minus 8 minus 12 minus 8 minus 8 minus 12 plus 12. Here is a mistake coming out. I have to check this question. Actually it should be 0 only. Row column 2 4 8 3 4 are 12. Let me check the question. Just a minute. Let's check the question. So just a minute, because correct question is required here. Yeah, there is a mistake. This is 5. This is 5. So it will be 2 minus 8 minus 12 plus 20 is coming here. Okay, then this row, this column, 0 minus 4 plus 4, 0 plus 2 minus 2, 0 minus 4 plus 10. The clue I have to tell you, what you have to do here is, so AB became, this is 6, 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. I am sure when you check, if you don't get a number like this, means there are some mistakes somewhere you have to find out. Okay, so if I take 6 common, this is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That means 6i. Okay, AB equals to 6i. AB equals to 6i. That means A 1 by 6b. Look at here. A, because this is your AB. 1 by 6b equals to I. Since you know A inverse equals to I, since you know A inverse is I, so in place of A inverse, what you have got? 1 by 6b. Therefore, the conclusion is A inverse equals to 1 by 6b. That means no need to find the cofactors to find A inverse. So directly you found A inverse in this. Now you go to your equation. What are the equations given? Given equations, you write down. Given equation is x minus y equals to 3, 2x plus 3y plus 4z equals to 17, y plus 2z equals to 7. So you can do A equals to 1 minus 1 0, 2 3 4, 0 1 2. X equals to xyz. Then you write C, not B, because B is already used here. C equals to 3 17 7. This already I have done. 3 17 7. This type of question, such that such that Ax equals to B. So you have to find out x is what? A inverse B. Condition, determinant of A is not 0. This is not 0, of course. So in place of A inverse you are writing X is equal to C, not B, because this is C here. So 1 by 6B into C. Okay, so that is X now you are finding. So 1 by 6, B is what? B का value you write down. B is 2 minus 4 minus 4 2 minus 4 2 minus 1 5. C what you want? C is 377. So directly x y z will come out. So multiply, therefore x equals to, therefore x equals to 1 by 6, 2 3 6 plus 34 minus 28, row column, minus 12 plus 34 minus 28, then 6 minus 17 plus 35. What is x? Actually it is xyz. So 1 by 6, how much you got? 40. 40 minus 20 is 12. This is 40 minus 40. Minus 40 plus 34 is minus 6. This is 41. 41, 17 minus 24. Okay. So what is x then? The x became what? 12 by 6 2. Y became what? Minus 6 by minus 6 minus 1. Z became what? 24 by 6 is 4. So one question is given in your textbook. If you follow the miscellaneous example, you will find a question like this. So try to solve that. Next class, new questions.